Мостике есть. И в этом нам поможет наш вахтенный помощник, третий помощник Вивек.
This is a navigational light control panel. From here we switch on all the lights which is used for navigation and anchor, and this is Christmas tree lights. These are all round lights, and these are all deck lights which are used in anchorage or berth when the vessel is at berth. And this is the emergency lights, which is these are the emergency lights for the vessel. These are dedicated, supplied with the emergency generator. This is a heating control panel for glass window in case of cold weather, when the vessel is navigating in the cold weather.
Это панель хитера для подогревания наших иллюминаторов.
Now these are the panels for sending the distress, undesignated distress alert. In case of emergency, directly we can push these buttons for distress. And now this is a wiper control for like washing of all the glasses in case of raining or something. And these are for clear view screen to clean it up and rotating. These are the clear view screens. We have two clear view screens over here. Now we have these radars. We have two radars, S-band and X-band, and this is the S-band radar, which is normally used for long range scanning for the targets which are far, and it gives all the data regarding CPA, bearing, range, course. From that we will consider. Yeah. So we will by plotting the target on this, we will come to know what is the safety distance from that vessel, and we navigate as per the data shown by the ARPA over here. Now this is the ECDIS. ECDIS, we also have two ECDIS, and this is used for navigation. This is especially used for making the route plan, how the vessel will proceed from one place to another, destination. We plan the route over here, and we navigate on this route by taking the inputs from all other equipments, radar, GPS, echo sounder, etc. This is the normal telephone which is used to communicate on board from one place to another, but inside vessel only, not outside authority or outside to the office. This is only for ships purpose. And this is the Banwas button, bridge navigational watch alert system. It alerts the duty officer every 12 minutes, which the time is set. It can be set in 10 minutes or 8 minutes. If in case something happens with the duty officer and he will not acknowledge this alarm, this will sound in all the officers' cabin, then in all the common places, so that everybody will come to know something is wrong from the bridge, and they will come and attend the bridge. Now here we will come to the telegraph. Telegraph is nothing but a speed maker, we can say, because here we can increase or reduce or from nav full to full, half ahead, slow ahead, dead slow ahead, stop, and from stop to downwards the vessel will go to the aft command. So from here we adjust the speed of the vessel, increase or decrease the speed of the vessel. So this unit is called telegraph. We have VHF unit which is called very high frequency. It is used to communicate with other vessel, and when we are near the port we will communicate with the port regarding our ETA, and all the information passes through with this unit. We need this is the extension alarm panel of engine room. Engine room alarms will also be shown here. We cannot acknowledge from here, we can only stop the alarm. Acknowledgement is done by the engine room only, and the engine room is manned or unmanned is acknowledged by pressing the F1, and engine room will be manned or unmanned. And this, and one thing is remaining over here. This is the steering motors. Right now number 1 pump is running. We have 2 steering motors. From this green indication we will come to know this is started. Now pump number 1 is running. To stop it we have to press this button and the indication will come like this. Right now the number 2 is off, number 1 is switched on, and if required we can use both the motors at the same time by switching on the other motors.
Что мы еще здесь пропустили? Мы здесь пропустили панель управления тифоном.
Dimmers, all the dimmers over there, all the panels, we require some dimmer for the night operation. So we are having here all the dimmers for day and night brilliance. Second is main engine control RPM. This is for the RPM indicator, or can say tachometers. And here we have public address system. To announce anything we need to require to switch it on and announce from here, and when we will announce everybody can hear from this mouthpiece. Here now this is the magnetic compass dimmer. This is for magnetic compass. By using this we can increase or decrease the dimmer of the magnetic compass, from where we can get the magnetic heading. Second is, here is the gyro repeater. Same, as the dimmer can be adjusted from there and here also. And this is one gyro repeater. Second is, this is the heading indicator of autopilot, and this is the main steering, from where the vessel will steer.
Репитер гирокомпаса для рулевого. Расположение его крайне здесь неудачное. Очень неудобно смотреть. Это нужно быть очень высоким человеком. Вот у нас есть один матрос, кому действительно удобно смотреть. Всем другим смотреть неудобно. Другие матросы используют репитер, находящийся здесь на автопайлоте, на авторулевом, либо они используют репитер, который находится на лобовине, потому что по-другому они просто не в состоянии увидеть этот репитер.
Now this is the GPS unit, global positioning system, which is used to get the position of the vessel, position of the other object, position of the land, everything. We have 2 GPS units, one here, one in the aft. In case of one failure, another will work, and we can select manually on axis and radar the GPS 1 or GPS. There is the AIS unit. This AIS unit is automatic identification system. It gets the AIS signal from the other vessel and gets all the information of other vessel. Like now this is the alarm panels. This is for hospital, this is for refrigerator room. If there is a patient in the hospital and if there is some urgency, he requires assistance, there is a press button. From there he will press and the alarm will come on the bridge, and whoever is on duty, he will come to know something is wrong in the hospital with the patient. And this refrigerator call system, this is also alarm unit. When somebody is locked inside the refrigerator room, he can. After this we have this fire alarm control panel. It detects all the fire hazards from throughout the vessel. These are the units, these are the different places on board: bridge deck, C deck, B deck, A deck, throughout from the engine room to the tank top of the engine room. So all the smoke detectors, heat detectors and flame detectors are distributed in all the places, from where it detects, if it detects any smoke, heat, the alarm will raise on the bridge, and then we can administrate the alarm accordingly by using this control panel. And this is very important for the human life on board. This is the fan running indicator, and from where these are all the cargo holds fan, forward and aft, forward and aft, forward and aft, for all cargo holds fans. From here we can start from this. This is the start button, green one. This is the indication the fan is running, and this is the stop button. So this is fire pump control panel. We have 3 fire pumps: fire and GS pump, bilge and GS pump, and emergency fire pump. And this is water ingress panel, which is used, which will indicate the alarm in case of the flooding inside any of the compartment, and the name of the compartment are written over here. These are also the alarm panel. This is for the smoke detection panel. It will give you if there is any smoke inside the compartment, especially in cargo hold or something.
Вот эта панель, это нюхач. У нас находится кабинет, который обнаруживает задымление в трюмах. И на эту панель приходит оповещение.
And this is for water mist fire alarm system. And third is this water mist repeater panel. This is also.
Это у нас water mist, система водяного тумана. Если не смотрели мое видео, обязательно посмотрите, где я рассказывал про него. Но то было применимо к другому судну. Ну, смысл тот же самый. Это репитер water mist. Где у нас он запущен, в каком помещении?